Hello everyone. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to test the flight fare calculation API using RestAssured. We will simulate a mock API with JSON server, and I will walk you through testing the creation and updating of flight fare using post and put request. So our first step is open CMD. In CMD, create a file by typing command copy on file name. I am taking flight fare as a file name dot JSON. After this, we have to write JSON body structure in this file. So copy this structure and paste this structure in this file. Press Ctrl C. Now you can see that your file has been copied. After that, to run it on my local host, I am typing command npx JSON server file name flight dot JSON. So you can see that my localhost is running with mock API localhost 3000. To access this link, press Ctrl and right click of your mouse. So these are my JSON body attributes, which contains ID, source, destination, travel date, base fare, taxes, passenger count, and total fare. After this, open your Eclipse, click on File, click on New. In New, create a project, select Maven project, click on Create a simple project, click on Next, give group ID, test. After this, you can see that my Maven project has been created with a file name flight pair test. So go inside this file. You can see that this file contain a form.xml file. Open this file. In this file, we have added dependencies. So I'm going to add dependencies, which is this, paste this. After this, press Ctrl S. You can see that I am going to add dependencies like Hamcrest dependencies, TestNG, RestAssured, checks, and Databind. After this, you can see that there is a one file which name is src/test/java. Select this file. Now right click on this, click on new. In new, we have going to create a package. Give the name to the package and give a name API check. Click on finish. Now you can see that your package has been created. After package, we have created a Java class file. Right click on this file, click on new. Now click on class. Right name flight. Okay. Check. Flight pair API. Click on finish. So after this, I am going to paste this package code. Rename. Oh, I'm going to rename the type to flight fare API check. So now you can see that I have set a JSON server to simulate a flight fare API. I'm running the server on HTTPS localhost 3000. In this code, I am using RestAssured for sending request and TestNG for running the test. Request specifier builder is used to define the base URL and content type. And content type should be in application JSON. So after this, I am going to add post method, and post method we have and post method you can see that post method is primarily used to create a new resource, while put is used to update or replace the existing one. So I am going to add post method. So I have already the code in my notepad. So I open it, copy this, and paste. So you can see that I am creating a file of for post, so which contains source, destination, travel date, base fare, taxes, passenger count, and total fare. Now uh, this is the post test where I am creating a new flight fare. In this test, we send a request with flight details and count using a map hash map as a payload. Hash map hold key value pairs for payload like source, destination, base fare, taxes, passenger count. And total fare is calculated manually as base fare plus taxes multiply passenger count. Once I overpay it, once the payload is prepared, I send the post request to fare and validate the response with the following assertion: status code 201, content type application JSON, and body total fare which is equal to 6,600. So I am going to run this with TestNG. Click on OK. So it will take some time. So you can see that uh, in my console, my test case has been passed. So I am successfully add host in my localhost. So after that, I am going to add put test case in this file. So this is my code of it, and I'm going to paste this. So now I am updating an existing flight fare using the put request. I am updating the fare with ID 1, changes the base fare from 3000 to 3200, and taxes from 300 to 350. Previously tax was 300 and now tax was 350. So the total new the new total fare is 7,100. So the put request update the existing fare, and I validate the following: status code should be 200, body which contain taxes which is equal to 3,350, and the body which contain total fare which is equal to 7,100. Now I am going to run the both test cases using TestNG. So click on OK. It will take some time again. So you can see that both of my test cases has been passed with a status code 200 and updated pairs. So now I'm going to my localhost and refresh the page. So we can see that post, this is the post method which I am created in my RestAssured file, and this is the put method. So in post, you can see that my text is 300. So 300 and total face 6600, and this is the before, and this is the after updation put. So my text is, which is previously is 300, now it is 350. Total pair 7100 and base pair 3200. So in this video, I successfully demonstrate how to create and update the flight fare record using post and put to test with REST assured. I also showed how to validate the API response using assertion. So I'm thank you for watching.